In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new contact to your address book seamlessly and efficiently. Managing your contacts effectively ensures that you stay connected with everyone you need in your personal and professional life. And today's tutorial will help you do just that. To get started, you'll first want to make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're set, take a look at the top navigation bar of your screen. Here, you'll see a plus sign, which is your gateway to adding new information. Click on this plus sign to open up a world of new possibilities for your contact management. After clicking the plus sign, a drop-down menu will appear with several options for different kinds of entries you can make. For the purpose of this tutorial, what we're interested in is the option labeled Contact. Go ahead and click Contact, which will guide you to the contact entry form. Now that you're in the contact form, you'll start by entering the contact's name. This is, of course, a crucial piece of information, as it's how you'll identify this contact later on. But the form provides great flexibility, allowing you to add more than just a name. You have the option to include the contact's address, phone number, and email. This space is not just for storing basic information. It's a comprehensive card that will allow you to store all the necessary details you might need. As you're filling out this form, remember that being thorough with the information you add will pay off in the future. This is especially true if you have a large contact list, or if you're managing clients or customers whose details need to be accurate and up to date. Don't hesitate to fill in any information you think might be useful. Little details like an address or phone number can make all the difference when you need to reach out quickly. Once you've filled out all the fields to your satisfaction, the final and most crucial step is to make sure all your work is saved. Look for the Save button, which is usually located towards the bottom or top of the form, and click it. This action will immediately add your new contact to your address book. You'll want to double-check that everything saves correctly. You can do this by simply reviewing the entries you just made to ensure all the details appear as you intended. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new contact, ensuring that you have all the important information you need right at your fingertips. This small yet powerful task can help keep you organized and ready to connect at any moment. Thanks for following along, and happy organizing!